Hey y'all, so when you've seen this video, I've already did this hike because I literally am in the middle of nowhere in Georgia. I don't know if you can hear, but there's literally just birds singing. Going from living right next to Philadelphia to this is just amazing, and I cannot be happier. Anyway, so I figured I'd show you guys my car. Although this won't let me flip this around, so it's not the newest vehicle, but it gets the job done. And I tried to go down this trail over here we're about to walk down, and it was not having it. It's too low to the ground, so I had to back up. But like I said, this used to be an old nuclear power facility for Lockheed Martin, and I'm pretty sure I found some of the buildings. There's been some people, you know, vandalizing it and climbing on them and stuff, which you're not really supposed to do. Here's one of them. I'm not about to try to climb that, but that is one of them. There's one over here that's a little easier to get to. Actually, we can walk up next to this one. Hang on a minute. Ow, ow, ow. I forgot about you sons of bitches. Sorry, I forgot about the pricker bushes we have down here. And there's too many of them for me to attempt that. So we'll go to this other building that's easier to get to. So yeah, today's a great day already. I had a very nice conversation with a gentleman named Fred in Walmart. It's amazing what the power of positivity can do, because he barely spoke to any of the other people in front of me, but as soon as I told him I was having a wonderful day and just was so positive about it, we just talked for like 5 minutes. It was great. So here's the other, a part of the other building. I know it's very small, and this place used to be around like 50 years ago or some shit. Let's see. I gotta try not to, you know, harm myself on this, so hold on a moment. I might be big, but I am agile. Here's what looks like it could have been way in. I'm not sure. You know, you've got your concrete here. Here's the other side. You know, with all the glorious graffiti on it. But yeah, there's definitely some remnants of the building. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know if my face is way too close. I apologize. You can see some of the footing here through the trees. It looks like somebody might have had a small campfire over here. You can actually see more of it over there. Let's see. Ow, 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 my hair. Oh, I'm actually on a... Okay, hang on, y'all. Ooh! So here's another... That's really depressing. But I was on top of this here, which led to, you know, that other spot where it looked like it could have opened up. I just heard a gunshot. I don't know if it's hunting season or what. I do apologize now that I'm back in the South. My accent will come back. Actually, here's another one of those opening looking things. There's more of that concrete pad over there. I'm gonna try and see if I can get over there without getting killed by prickers, so hang on a minute. So it'd be a lot easier if I had a walking stick. I probably shouldn't have worn my brand new leggings to do this, but this was actually not on the agenda today. I just came out here to come out here and figured, hey, why not? So let's see. Plus, I've always wanted to explore an abandoned place. I mean, yeah, it's not really all here anymore, but some of it's here. I don't know. I was told I'm not gonna try to find them unless I accidentally find them. But supposedly there are tunnels here that lead underground. Ooh, this is one of the pricker bushes I was telling you about. It's a little one. Them fuckers hurt. It looks like somebody's, walked through here a good bit and started making some trails. I mean, all the southern kids, they love to come out here. And up until recently, this used to be a place where you can camp for free. But they just recently changed that. Oh. Hope nobody's over here. I just stumbled upon a campsite. See, if y'all are gonna camp somewhere, make sure you clean it up. Like, look, I left a little bit of a mess. I mean, granted, the fire's out, but like, come on. I actually came up on the back side of that first building. So that's the first building. If I find any more information or any other buildings, I'll make another video on it. But that's all I know of right now. The rest I'm gonna have to just keep exploring, see if I find anything. But if you want me to explore more places, let me know. I'm happy to do it. I'll see you in the next one. All right, y'all, so I found some more. I also heard what sounded like footsteps in the woods. They sounded human. I don't see anybody. I've yelled hello a few times. Ooh. That's one of the massive pricker bushes. If you ever come to Georgia, you'll want to avoid them. Them some nasty bitches. Anyway, so while I was walking back over here to see, oh, you also want to avoid these. These are fire ants. Those will fuck you up. As I was trying to see what that sound was, I found a massive wall. from the old Lockheed place. So I don't know much history on it. I'm gonna give you what I know before I leave this clearing. Pretty much, it was a nuclear testing facility. And what they would do is they would bring animals and stuff down to their bunker, and they would test, you know, what the effects of radiation are on them. And eventually it just got shut down. I'm not sure why. I will, any of this is inaccurate or whatever, I'm just gonna cut this footage, and then I'll upload actual footage of, actually, I'll upload actual footage, like a voiceover or something. But let me try and get a better shot of this wall just in case. The wall goes on a little longer than I expected. I'm not gonna keep going though. While I'm out here exploring, I saw whatever this was, and I'm gonna poke it. Oh, that's a huge ass mushroom. Wow. Never seen a mushroom so big. Wow. Yeah, the things you find out in nature, holy shit. We have Georgia clay here, and I don't know what this red mud is. There's several spots of it, so I wonder if it's something seeping up from the ground. I tried to drive down this. My car decided it wanted to bottom out because it's too low to the ground. I heard a vehicle come down towards me, but I'm gonna keep on exploring. Don't know how much is left. I think I found it all, but I also think I just found another part. So, yeah. Go explore some more. I ran into a roadblock. There's nothing else I could do right here. Brush is too thick. I even went and I got my trusty knife. It's just too thick. I can't go any farther. I'm gonna take you guys to a different spot that I believe was also part of this facility, but it's wide out, it's like right out in the open. So we're gonna go there now. So this is the backside from where we were just looking. I'm trying to see if I can get any closer. That building looks like it'd be really neat to explore, but of course everything's all locked up because people can't be respectful of shit. I mean, it might even be all locked up, you can't even get inside of it, but I literally just want to get right next to it. That's all I want. I'm trying. I'm trying for y'all. Oh, well, I could probably get in through that. I mean, I saw some very nice, respectful gentlemen earlier, and I don't want to, you know, fuck up a relationship with the wildlife people. This last building is really big. My sock's getting all jacked.